Hello. So part of my vlog, I'm just going to be talking about Django Apps, well, application, right? We have the project, we have the application, right? For example, if you think about it, this is the project for this particular postdoc. The reason why it's the project is because you can see here, it has the managed PY, it has other things, right? That makes it a project. Now in Django, you can have a project. And under the project, you can have multiple applications. An application is just something that provides a particular feature. For example, this in this case, the application is also called postdoc, despite the fact that the project itself is postdoc. You see, Django is very flexible. So this is where it create an application. As you can see, it kind of like subclass. The app config, it names it. The name of the application is called postdoc, and also um, yeah, the verbose name or the long name is also post org, which is kind of different, right? So this is how you know the apps, in an application, right? It's not really the file that denote if it's an app, right? It's the class definition, the subclassing that denotes that you're trying to create an application. And what I mean by that is this line could be anywhere, right? It could be in any file. But usually it's always very indicative of the kind of it's always good to indicate where your apps are defined, right? Now, you might be like, okay, if I'm trying to create an app, what do I do? In my case, let's say we're trying to create an app called cookies. So Python manages PY. I want to create an app called, I want to start an app called cookies, right? Right? Boom. So what happened is that it's going to create a new folder called cookies, and I have the usual thing, the apps, right? I have the apps config. This is the name of my app. I can do the same thing and define the verbose name of my app, also the ready method. Yeah, I can do all those. So this is what the Django app looks like, for anyone that may be wondering, right? An app is just what a feature, right? That's probably implementing something, right? So in my case, Cookie is an app, also Postdoc is an application in this project. Yeah, that's. Thanks.